I'm not even gonna hold y'all. It's like the Yeezy factory in the driveway right now. What is this, the warehouse? Why y'all are packing? Rarely do I ever pick up the camera and say I'ma just vlog, but today, right now, it's 7:20 and I'm about to cop my first pair of Yeezys, and I wanted you dolls to experience it with me and help me pick out a bomb pair for my first pair. If you have a pair of Yeezys, let me know what pair you got in the comment section below. I also want to know what your favorite pair of Yeezys are. I'm not the biggest Kanye fan, but I watched the interview recently. Who did he do the interview with just now when he did the whole color wheel thing with the Yeezys? I don't know who he did the interview with. I'll probably link it in my description box below if I find it later, but he did a really dope interview explaining his like success and how he came up with Yeezys and his inspiration behind it, and some really dope stuff. You know, sometimes Kanye, he does a lot of blabbering, but within that blabbering there's some gems and some key things that, you know, you can take from him. Other than that, but I'm getting some Yeezys today. I don't know why I waited so long. Maybe because they're expensive when you're not buying them at retail price. They're worth so much money. It's crazy. Yeezys really increase in value. It's sickening, and I think that's really dope. The brand that Kanye built behind Yeezys. So I feel like I need a pair. I want a pair. They look really comfortable, really cute. So I hit up the sneaker plug. You know, if you're in Brooklyn and you need some sneakers, we got the plug for you. So we hit him up and he's about to pull up on us.
Pull up on me. Pull up, pull up on me.
So I can purchase my first pair of Yeezys. Make sure y'all smash the like button.
Mariah, what's good?
Big plug, what's up? Thank you so much for pulling up on me, Juan.
Oh.
Now you know these my first pair of Yeezys.
Okay, so you came to the right place for them.
I came to the right place. I heard you were lit. I heard you had it all. Let me see what you got. Show me what you got.
Let me show you what I got. Hope this ain't too overwhelming.
Are you shitting me? What, did you bring the whole factory out with you? Oh my God.
I mean, it's big plug talk, so I mean, I gotta bring everything for you.
Oh my goodness. Can I pick any one?
Well, we gotta figure out what size are you in the first place.
So for regular sizes, I wear a 5 in boys and basically like a 6 in women's.
Okay.
How Yeezys run? How do you run?
Well, usually with most of them half size, full size bigger depending on how your foot is cut. So if you're saying like a 5, we're gonna try out for a 6.
What got you into Yeezys and actually being a big plug?
You know what's so funny about that? So funny you brought that up is because I was never an Adidas fan.
No?
Ever. It was always Jordans and Nikes. Always. And then just know, like, all right, I'm gonna lie, I'm a hype beast, you know. Just the fact that nobody's gonna have them on their feet, that's what I was pretty much into. Okay. So the fact I was able to get them, multiple pairs, sell them, and keep for myself and make a profit, it's a win-win for me. What's your favorite season to get dressed up in?
My favorite season is the fall. I like the fall time because I like earth tone colors, and I like the fact that you can actually put clothes on and put pieces together, and I like to be comfortable in the fall time.
I was gonna show you some coppers, some throwbacks right here.
Okay.
Some throwbacks.
Let me see. Excuse me.
Some classics.
These are fire.
They're definitely fire. Let me show you what I got here,
Let me
man. Okay. I'm gonna laugh at this story right here. I paid big money for these.
Wait, time out. These are bomb.
Yeah, I missed these, so I ended up paying the extra for these.
How much extra? How much did you drop on that?
So $240 retail. I spent $680.
$680.
$680.
How much you think they're? How much you think they cost right now, like on the internet, if you was to go try to get them from Flight Club?
Well, 900. So, like I said, it's what the game is. It's just all about hype, to be honest. If it's hype, it's gonna cost you money. The faster way it sells out, all that plays into a big factor. So
I like these a lot.
yeah,
This
but like,
is crazy.
but with these, it's gonna be hard to wear them. It's kind of hard because this color is so vibrant.
Do you have every pair?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm missing about 3 or 4.
That's damn near every pair.
That's every pair, I know, and they dropped 25 of them. Since you're more of the new Yeezy type, I want to throw you in the correct way. So we're gonna jump into the first one. Should be the Lundmarks.
The Lundmark. When did these come out?
These came out 2 weeks ago.
Oh, so I'm getting that.
So you're getting a new.
Okay.
The funny thing about it is that they came in a reflective, which all 3 of them around, and now these are non-reflective.
Okay.
With a 3M, I wouldn't want you to get 3M all the way because it's too vibrant, and you can wear them pretty much once, twice. You know, you can't throw them. These can be every day.
Yeah, because I guess when it's really reflective, everybody remember those too.
Exactly.
Like it stands out.
Too much. So
I'm
this
looking
is
for something for everyday wear.
Nah, this is perfect. This is perfect. Like I said, it's that earth tone. Even like you can even get away with the summertime too.
Well, I'm hype. I'm getting a pair that just came out 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
So I think this is the one that I'm definitely gonna go with because they're so cute. And what size is this one?
This is actually a 6.5.
It's the 6.5.
Yes. So
I like these
check
a
that
lot.
detail out.
But what other colors do these come in?
Well, these come in
What other colors?
probably about like 30 of them. 30 of them. Not exactly. Probably 20, 25. I'm gonna say 25 exact pairs.
That's a lot of colors.
I know. I can start pulling out a whole bunch of flavors for you.
Let
you know.
me see flavors just in case.
Random.
You know?
Random.
What's this
All right.
one?
This one here is the breads.
Bread.
Breads.
Don't they have a pair of Jordans called like the Bread 11s?
They do.
Is it the Bread 11s?
No, the bread 350. So it's all black with your red supply 350. When they say bread, it refers to black and red.
Oh,
Yeah.
you learn something new every day.
All right, there we go. What we still got in here for you to see?
What's the price range though?
All right,
Your girl's
so
on a budget.
with the Lundmarks, since it's relatively new,
Uh-huh.
I could basically do a really good price for you, and plus you getting famous on the YouTube.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give you one of the best deals out there is. So we ain't gonna discuss that.
Yeah, we're not going to discuss
But
it.
pretty
How much
much-
do Yeezys retail for?
Retail is $220. New York City tax $240, $239.
Okay.
Some change. So
Okay.
$240.
That's crazy because I didn't even, the way that they sell them online, I really wouldn't think that that's how cheap they are.
The hype behind it tells the story behind it.
Damn, now I gotta get different fits. This is gonna be crazy. You could send me some fit inspo too?
Let me tell you a simple fit to go with.
Tell me.
A simple beige Adidas sweatsuit.
That's it.
That's it. That's all you need.
That's cool. And I'm definitely a leggings type of girl.
Sweatsuit. Even if you do the Adidas leggings sweatsuit, whatever
Yeah,
it is.
I'm a calm person.
Now, with Jem, you can see Jem, but you're not gonna show. You can just show that kind of fit, like.
That's my dog over there. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Oh my God.
I really hope you enjoy it, man.
Shout your shit out real quick so that my dolls and the boys up in here know when they want to get some Yeezys, where to get them from, where they could hit you up at.
Alright, so we're gonna start with this. Instagram, Taffman, TAFFEMAN _. Make sure you check out Sneaker Science every single Sunday. And I do unbox kicks on YouTube. Taffman unboxed it.
I'm gonna link all his info in the description box below so that you dolls can go shop with him. Very reliable. And his Sneaker Science videos are very funny, but he shows off his dope collection of kicks. So if you're into sneakers, you're a sneakerhead, definitely wave with him. Okay. I'm gonna end the video right here. Gosh, my skin looks so amazing. I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you again so much, Taff. I'm officially a Yeezy owner. Like,
That's it.
thank you so much for making this happen for me and making me like so happy. I'm so excited and I can't wait to wear them.
Look,
Pack it up. Close the trunk
You're
on
gonna try,
them.
right? Let's not blooper it up, though.
Oh my God. It's over.